call back? Do you ever pick up on that phone? Stop pretending I don't know you're home. I guess not.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a happy new year, and today it's time to take it all down and just do a nice clean and refresh ready for the new year. So I really hope that you enjoy this one. Do go ahead and subscribe and leave today's video a thumbs up if you do, and let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so I'm starting off in the front room and I am just going to go room by room, tackling each area, packing everything away and getting it nice and clean and fresh, because I love the feeling of having the space empty after Christmas. It was definitely bittersweet because I love the decorations this year so much, but at the same time it's nice to have a clean blank canvas for the start of a new year. So I'm just going to go round, tackle every space and get it nice and clean.
I hate sleeping alone. I can never make it on my own. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Tell me how I'm gonna get through. I don't wanna take another life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense. Wishing we'll end up together, you, oh you. I keep wishing and wishing and wishing. Tell me what I'm gonna do. Tell me how I'm gonna live my life without you. Yeah, tell me why we don't make sense.
Okay, so I'm now moving on to the tree, and as you can see I totally forgot Mr. Squirrel behind me, but I do that all the time whenever I'm undecorating a space because I'm just so used to seeing the decorations. I forget that it's seasonal and I just overlook it, but I do go back and take him down once I realise. But for now I'm just concentrating on the tree, making sure I sort of keep everything in order, like categorized. I'm just using plastic bags to put all of the smaller ornaments in, and then I'm going to wrap the bigger ornaments in newspaper just to protect them a little bit more before popping them in the box. And yeah, then I can take down the tree and decide how I want to decorate this corner. I think I am going to be leaving the telly where it is, so I have the extra space to decorate, but we'll see how it all turns out in the end.
You got me dancing in your storm, looking like turn up as firefighters. You got me dancing in your storm, looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. Looking like a breeze, but really you're a forest fire. I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Still holding tight through every fight, 'cause sometimes I can see through the echo of every day, always the same, until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter, I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter, time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me.
Once I had everything packed away downstairs, it was time to come and do the bedroom, and honestly it feels so bare as soon as I take the garland off of the top of the bed. And yeah, I can't wait to sort of figure out what else I want to do in this room, because it is a very blank canvas, and even though I usually like it like that all year round, I do want to try and add a few things in here. So definitely stick around if you want to see how this room ends up looking. It will be in a future video as soon as I figure out my own style, because at the moment I'm going through so many different styles. I just love them all, and I might end up just having to mix them all together rather than just sticking with one. So we'll see how that goes. But as you can see, downstairs is looking very bare, but there is just flocking and glitter and sparkles everywhere. So I'm going to go in and give it a good hoover, a good dust, and just get it nice and clean, because look how bad this is, because I haven't dusted this since November, so it really needed a good clean.
What if you were gone to someone else, so we could never be the same? I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. May I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you've gone to someone else, so we can never be the same?
I really hope that you've enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you do want to see how everything comes together and how I decide to decorate for winter, do go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss the next upload. And I will see you guys back here in the next one.